In this video, I'll show you how to block unwanted emails in Zoho Mail by setting up a custom filter. This simple process will help keep your inbox organized and free from spam. Start by logging into your Zoho Mail account. Once inside, look for the gear icon at the top right corner of your screen. This opens your settings menu. From the drop-down, select Mail Settings. Inside Mail Settings, find and click on Email Filters. This is where you can control how incoming emails are handled. To create a new filter, click the Add New Filter button. First, give your filter a clear and recognizable name, such as Block Spam Sender. This will help you quickly identify its purpose later. Next, set the condition for the filter. Choose the From field, select Contains and enter the email address you want to block. This ensures that any email from that sender triggers the filter. Now choose the action for matching emails. You can either move to trash or mark as spam depending on how you want to handle these messages. Once you've set the action, click Save. Your filter is now active and will automatically handle unwanted emails, keeping your inbox tidy and clutter-free. That's it. You've successfully set up a Zoho Mail filter to block spam emails and streamline your email experience.